Hello everyone, in this video I am going to dive into price action and supply and demand imbalances again. I will reveal how to anticipate market moves with precision on Forex and whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader. This Forex approach using supply and demand will give you the edge to trade smarter, so stick around to see how you can use these powerful forces to make money using supply and demand and price action. So let's start here. If you follow me on social media, Instagram and all that, you will probably remember me talking about this demand level on the weekly time frame. We were waiting for that imbalance on the weekly time frame. This is the weekly. You can see the watermark here for the euro versus the Kiwi. So the euro dollar versus the New Zealand dollar Forex cross pair on the weekly time frame. This is a swing Forex trade which played out already. Okay, so we've got here the imbalance on the weekly at 175. We were expecting price to do this, and as you will see in social media analysis for Forex, this trade was like this potential swing imbalance. Obviously this could have been eliminated, but it did play out as expected. So after a very strong rally, so if you zoom out a little bit, let's zoom out a little bit here, over here. So, and think about it for 5 seconds. Which is the strongest impulse on this chart? And we're talking about 2023 or even farther. And we've got another one here, which happened on the first week of August 2022. And the next one happened there, which is the imbalance was created at the beginning of July 2024. And it was materialized in August, 1 month later. So after such a strong rally, price action trading strategies, any price action trading strategy, obviously if you are trading short-term Forex strategies, you won't be able to know or understand why this happened, okay, on the weekly, because the weekly time frame on Forex is not a time frame that many people will use, but as supply and demand traders we should, because it gives us long-term opportunities which are really great. Okay, so this is like a swing long-term Forex trade opportunity, and price action wise, as price reacted to that, I mean kissed the level, penetrated the imbalance a little bit deeper, and then look at the width of that candlestick body, followed by another one, and then a pause, and then 2 large candlesticks, okay, bodies. But what happens here is that a very strong impulse there on the weekly takes control. So after, this is not an imbalance, okay? This is an imbalance, but this is just an impulse that could be seen like resistance, okay? But it's not supply, because supply is not resistance and demand is not support. Nothing to do, okay? So what happens? Once price reaches that strong impulse, you should not assume or expect that any Forex cross pair, no matter which strategy you are using, oscillators, indicators, or EMA crosses, or anything, okay, swing intraday, scalping, it doesn't matter. If you are aware of this strong bearish impulse buying here, expecting this, and obviously without even knowing that this is there, because you are probably trading the smaller time frames, okay, so you will start thinking, oh, why is now the 1 hour dropping like crazy? Okay, why is it dropping like crazy? Well, you won't know, obviously, because you are not aware. You just take a look at the 4 hour. Oh, why is the 4 hour dropping? No idea. Why is the daily dropping? No idea, because there's nothing here. And then you go to the weekly and say, oh, wow, now I know why this is dropping. But if you use the smaller time frames in Forex, price action strategies won't tell you much, unless obviously you're using all kind of price action patterns. And when you start looking at the 4 hour here, you've got like strong bearish wick followed by an engulfing pattern, multiple engulfing patterns, and then the sell-off happens. Okay, if you use the daily, then probably you're gonna see like a strong rally. After a very strong rally, you should stop buying. Okay, And if you are aware of the weekly, you should stop buying. Then you go to the daily, and then a daily, after a very strong rally, we have like bearish price action and it drops. Two large bearish negative candlesticks, large candlestick bodies, although the end of the day is still like a few hours away. It's 4 p.m. or 3 p.m. GMT London time. So it's still a few hours for the Forex market to close, but price action and supply and demand tell us everything. So here on the weekly, now we have reached the latest strong impulse and we have a weekly uptrend. Okay, so from here we could start looking for new signals to go long off here. Okay, but it is not, this is not an imbalance. This is just an impulse. The same way this is an impulse, this is an impulse, impulse, bullish impulse, but the only imbalance available in all these weekly candlesticks for the euro versus the New Zealand dollar Forex cross pair is this one on the weekly time frame. Okay, these are just impulses and corrections, which is different. I mean, demand and supply is completely different to support and resistance and to impulses and corrections. Okay, so from here we could start like buying again, but there is no sign of bullishness, so we have to wait. But the purpose of this video was to explain to you these powerful forces, insights that will allow you to make real gains using these imbalances and price action. And you should be aware of all these price action obstacles, because this is a very strong obstacle, and trading against it, expecting price to trade through it and break these highs, it's suicidal. So if imagine that you had managed to take an entry over there, okay, using some of the analysis that I mentioned in social media, imagine that you take along there once price is very near or at the strong impulse, you should get out of the trade. Maybe in a few weeks it will be like up there, but why are you going to eat or swallow, or I don't know how to say that, all that the bearish leg, which could continue even to go deeper, okay, why, when you're making a lot of money there? It's just silly, okay, to hold a position when you have a strong obstacle that could take a few weeks or months before price goes above the original profit that you had on this Forex cross pair, the euro versus the New Zealand dollar. Okay, so now we have to wait. Okay, so on the smaller time frame, maybe you will start seeing something. Okay, but for now, it's just nothing. New strong impulses, new lows on the 4 hour, new lows. So there's no sign of reversal from this weekly impulse, the same way that it happened over there. So hopefully this video, you will like this video. If you like it, please subscribe to the my channel, Don't Forget Online Trading Academy, so you are notified of new additions to my to the channel. Have a great day.